We're rolling. Okay.
Camera's on.
Yep.
Yep.
Well, let's just say North America needs to move up from third place.
And how do we do that? What's going to take us to that next level? It is 1 in the afternoon. We are going to head up this tramway that goes most of the way up Mont Blanc. I don't know, halfway. Just gonna check it out, do a little touristy stuff. We're heading out now.
Yeah, be fun.
So that's the tramway we think that we're gonna take all the way up to 3,800 meters.
This is where the Frenchies flew through this bridge. So they jumped out of a chopper up there, and they came through here. This is totally, everyone was here, and it's just like, they shot underneath this thing. Kept going.
Pretty sure a glacier is breaking right now. Oh my god. I wish we could see what was going on.
Wow.
That was big.
That was big.
Holy crap. Okay.
So I just realized that I just apologized to myself because about 2 minutes ago I bumped into someone's arm and that someone was me. But I apologized, so we're good.
We're heading back down to Chamonix now. We're in the mid-load station. and then we gotta change the flat tire and then make our way over to the American party tonight. That's it. It's crazy up there. I mean, we're just at 12,000 feet. Now we're down at 7,500, and then town is, I think, 3,500. So that's it. Here's my car, and here's the problem. Got a flat. It's so much smaller. I don't really want to drive all the way to whatever in this thing. I don't want to drive anywhere on this thing.
Yeah, we have 2 cars. It doesn't make sense to wait for girls to both drive.
Can we have one of those? Got a spare? We'll take the spare car over the spare piece of crap flat.